What's going on YouTube? Today's going to be a blast from the past as we revisit some of our favorite cleats from this past NFL season. As many of you guys may know, they lifted the ban on custom cleats this year, and players were allowed to wear almost anything during the game as long as they matched team colors, and pre-game cleats were an absolute free-for-all. So of course, working with our guy Eric Ebron year in and year out for pre-game this past year, we went absolutely crazy. So we went ahead and did some Rocket Power, Dexter's Lab, and Winnie the Pooh themed cleats this year, and today you'll be seeing some clips of those mashed up with the original theme songs. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed today's video. Just checking out some of our favorite cleats from this past year. As always, make sure you're subscribed to the page. Go ahead and drop this video a like if you enjoyed seeing these cleats from the past year, and we will see you guys in the next one. As always, thank you guys so much for the support. This page really wouldn't be able to grow without you guys. Make sure you're following us on Instagram. That information is down below. Make sure you're subscribed to the page, and go ahead and check out our previous video here off to the side.